Hi everyone, I'm AB. Today I want to show everyone to my A2 design topics, sustainable and environmental friendly restaurant. The reason I want to choose this term is because the waste of energy resources in Chinese restaurants is very large, and many restaurants cannot meet environmental protection requirements. People's low carbon and environmental protection needs. For these reasons, I wanted to make a chain of sustainable restaurant system. On the one hand, it can contribute to the environmental protection of the city, and on the other hand, it also wants to provide a comfortable space for environmentalists. This picture was show about the research process. First of all, I chose my own lumps and extracted keywords. And let's just talk about the design project brief. My end users, environmentalists, and people interested in environmental protection. I have the two aims. The first, design a sustainable restaurant with zero pollution and low emission, and aim to sustainable restaurant app. Analysis of China energy waste data. The data show that the energy waste caused by resources accounting for 40.1% for the total energy waste. According to the chart, I know that the largest population of the resources consumption in Chinese city is a restaurant. Next, analyze the waste of restaurant resources. This picture shows the consumption of the restaurant resources in different cities in China. Finally, I choose Shanghai as development city of my sustainable restaurant. And this is my energy waste caused by restaurant. Next part would show the design precedence. The precedence one is the zero restaurant, and the two is very interesting website. The interesting thing is everyone can pay attention to the surrounding green energy data in real time. And next is the Xiaomi app. This app product for online control on smart home applications. And the next is dishes about the steaming energy. And the latest, this is example for the energy electricity coffee shop with installations made from the sustainable materials. The next part, I would show the persona. I choose the two people, Olivia and Peter. Olivia is 32 years old and she has many hobbies. And she reason for interview want to learn more about environmentalists. And I gave her some question about idea for eco-friendly restaurant. And the next is Peter. He is a student and also is 19 years old. And the reason for interview because want to be a environmentally lit. This is a this is my first prototype restaurant. In the ecosystem, I want to make the sustainable eco-friendly restaurant, the dressing restaurant energy efficient parking and wastewater energy issue in restaurants by improving on previous precedents and intake with modern online app. Using can book meal and consumers green food through the online app. And also is a picture. This is the prototypes about the food package. This is the food range and screen the food, pre-save food range and smash and make the prices the page, make the page to the packing. This website designed for the energy electricity restaurant web page mainly through the introduction of energy saving restaurant production to provide energy saving restaurant on environmental protection. And this is the app. I would choose two user groups for my app idea. The first is restaurant management and dinner. For restaurant management, I want to help them control the switch of sustainable products in restaurants through the app. And dinner is my primary purpose. On the one hand, it is to provide energy saving blitz for environmentalists. On the other hand, I want to more people to particularly environmental protection activity. Let's build the green city for the future together. The next is my experiments. This is a short show about my experiments. This is my conclusion. In addition to solving the problem of primary energy consumption, I also want to provide a comfortable and energy-saving place for environmental protection activities and people who wish to join environmental protection groups through new media, maybe the app or maybe the website. More importantly, I want to more people to join the teams for environmental protection through the energy-saving restaurant. And finish. Thank you.